Book 2, Unit 18. What will you do if your fridge is empty? Lock, leave, left. How many locks are there on the front door of your house? There are 2 locks on the front door of my house. What do we lock the door with? We lock the door with a key. Do we close this door? Yes, we close this door. Do we lock it? No, we don't lock it. Do you always lock the door when you leave home? Yes, I always lock the door when I leave home. Is it a good idea to leave the door open when you go to work? No, it isn't a good idea to leave the door open when you go to work. What's the past of leave? The past of leave is left. Did the teacher leave her book here after the last class? Yes, the teacher left her book here after the last class. Kitchen, microwave, cooker, fridge, dishwasher. Do you have a big kitchen? No, I don't have a big kitchen. Is there a fridge in your kitchen? Yes, there is a fridge in my kitchen. Is it warm inside the fridge? No, it isn't warm inside the fridge. It's cold. Do you ever use a microwave? Yes, I sometimes use a microwave. Do you prefer a microwave or a cooker? I prefer a cooker. What do you need when you want to make some soup? When I want to make some soup, I need a cooker or a microwave and a pot. Have you got a dishwasher in your kitchen? Yes, I've got a dishwasher in my kitchen. What do you put into the dishwasher after a meal? We put dirty mugs, teaspoons, pots, and plates into the dishwasher after a meal. Now, is there a fridge in your kitchen? Yes, there is a fridge in my kitchen. We have here stairs, lift, elevator. Are there stairs in this building? Yes, there are stairs in this building. Is there a lift in this building? No, there isn't a lift in this building. What do Americans say instead of lift? Americans say elevator instead of lift. Do you prefer the lift or the stairs? I prefer the lift. Is it easier to walk up the stairs than to take the lift? No, it isn't easier to walk up the stairs than to take the lift. It's more difficult. Do you think you can lift this table? Yes, I think I can lift this table. If you look at the ceiling, do you lift your eyes? Yes, I lift my eyes if I look at the ceiling. Out of order. Fix. Fixed. What do you do when the lift is out of order? When the lift is out of order, I take the stairs. Are people happy when the lift is out of order? No, people aren't happy when the lift is out of order. Are they happy when it's fixed? Yes, they are happy when it's fixed. Can you fix a dishwasher when it's out of order? No, I can't fix a dishwasher when it's out of order. Upstairs, downstairs, bedroom, bathroom, toilet. Is a kitchen usually upstairs? No, a kitchen is usually downstairs. Which rooms do we usually have upstairs? We usually have a bedroom and a bathroom upstairs. Which rooms do we usually have downstairs? We usually have a kitchen and a toilet downstairs. Which room has got a bath? A bathroom has got a bath. Is it nice to have a big bath in the bathroom? Yes, it's nice to have a big bath in the bathroom. Where is the toilet in this building? The toilet is at the end of the corridor in this building. Which rooms do we usually have downstairs? We usually have a kitchen and a toilet downstairs.